ERM versus ERP. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see what exactly is the difference between the two. So the full form of ERM is Enterprise Resource Management, and for ERP it is Enterprise Resource Planning. While ERM covers all the aspects of a business resource management system, ERP focuses on specific areas like accounting or finance. ERM is efficient for the use of internal assets, while ERP focuses on overall business operations. When it comes to risk assessment, ERM identify and assess the risks that could impact the objectives of the business, while ERP focuses on the risks which are associated with particular departments like accounting or the finance. And this is how they differ from each other. So I hope this short review was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel.